must be angry. He must be angry. They must follow the rules. They must follow the rules. She must speak in English. She must speak in English. I must study tonight. I must study tonight. We must throw the garbage. We must throw the garbage. You must go to the class. You must go to the class. They must help the poor. They must help the poor. I must pay attention. I must pay attention. We must not touch the things. We must not touch the things. I can eat chicken. I can eat chicken. He can write the test. He can write the test. She can get her phone. She can get her phone. You can wear a dress. You can wear a dress. We can speak Spanish. We can speak Spanish. They can do it. They can do it. Can I come in? Can I come in? Can you pass me the bottle? Can you pass me the bottle? How can you do this? How can you do this? Can we swim? Can we swim? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow us on our Instagram.